Hi there. Welcome to QUIC.cloud CDN. There are several ways to set up QUIC.cloud for your website, and one of the easiest is to use the CNAME method. In this practical guide, we'll show you how to set up your www subdomain for QUIC.cloud CDN using CyberPanel. In order to follow along with this tutorial, you will need the following: CyberPanel control panel, a WordPress website that is using www or some other subdomain. If you're currently using a root domain like example.com, then you will need to switch to a subdomain like www.example.com before you can use this method. See the link in the description for documentation and a video that explains how to do that. You will also need the LSCache plugin for WordPress installed and activated. Now let's dive right into setting up our CNAME record for the www subdomain. First, we'll pair your WordPress and QUIC.cloud account. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LSCache, then General, and click the Request a Domain Key button on the right side of the domain key box. You will see a notification at the top of the page, indicating that the application was successful. Wait a few minutes and then refresh the page. You will see your new key displayed in the domain key setting. Then, create a QUIC.cloud account. To register your QUIC.cloud account, click the Link to QUIC.cloud button. You will be redirected to QUIC.cloud to register. Choose a password, agree to the QUIC.cloud terms and conditions, and click Register. Check your email for a validation message from QUIC.cloud and confirm your account by clicking the activation link within. Back in WordPress, you will know the connection was successful when you see the Visit My Dashboard on QUIC.cloud button on the General page. Next, we're going to enable QUIC.cloud CDN. There's two steps for doing this. First, you need to turn it on in the WordPress plugin, and then you need to enable it on the QUIC.cloud side. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LSCache, then CDN. Set QUIC.cloud CDN to On, and press the Save Changes button. Then, navigate to your QUIC.cloud dashboard at my.quic.cloud. Click your domain name and navigate to CDN. Click Enable CDN in the CDN Overview box. QUIC.cloud will ask you to choose which method you'd like to use to set up the CDN. Choose CNAME and press the Confirm Choice button. QUIC.cloud will provide you with a CNAME record value. Copy this and save it for the next step. In your CyberPanel control panel, navigate to the DNS section. If there is already an A record for your www site, then delete it. Create a CNAME record. Set name to your www URL and paste the CNAME value that QUIC.cloud provided into the value field. Then change your settings. Back in the QUIC.cloud dashboard, navigate to CDN, then CDN config. This screen will show your CDN settings in detail and the status of your CNAME verification. Please be aware that the DNS change might take a while to be effective. Once DNS is configured, you will want to verify two things: that the auto-detected server IP is correct, and that the CDN is working. Let's look at each step in more detail. To verify if the auto-detected server IP is correct, click Settings in the top navigation bar and check the auto-detected server IP. Compare the IP addresses you see with the IP addresses configured on your WordPress site in your hosting control panel. The IP addresses must match. Here's a simple way to tell if QUIC.cloud CDN is serving your site. Use the LSCache Check tool at check.lscache.io. Enter your URL and check the response headers. Look for the XQC header. If it's there, it means your site was accessed via a QUIC.cloud POP. Your site was configured correctly, and you are good to go. Congratulations! Your site is now using QUIC.cloud CDN. At this point, QUIC.cloud CDN should be enabled and ready to serve your content to a global audience. If you're experiencing any trouble, please see our documentation or open a ticket with our friendly support team. If you'd like to see these instructions for another control panel, please see the description below. We have more control panel configuration videos coming soon, and we'll update the description when they're available. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. See you soon.